Pixel Buds! Pixel Buds! Get your Pixel Buds! Everybody has gotten Pixel Buds. Nice to see you guys again. I've missed you. Have you missed me? I know. You did. Which is why I'm back and we're making a video today about the Google Pixel Buds A. A is for Aaron. They're made just for me. 1A, just like my name. Coincidence? Yes. Big, giant coincidence. No other way around it. Last week, I started unboxing what I thought was the Pixel Buds that came in the mail. Really, it was new OnePlus Bullet Z earbuds, and made a silly video because, you know, hell, I was already in the middle of making it, so why not finish it? But today we have the Google Pixel Buds A. That is right. They are right here in the house and they are in olive color, which I think this is a very curious color, not just any olive, dark olive. Here are the regular Pixel Buds, the 2s. These were a hot pile of garbage. A lot of things about them I did not like. First and foremost, I could not get both earbuds to work for me at the same time all the time. It was either one or the other, or the left one was always cutting out. And the thing is, I liked these. They fit pretty good in my ear. They stayed in, which is a big win for me. But I just didn't feel like they were built for longevity. I felt like they would eventually get hard and they would start to hurt my ears, and my ears are sensitive just like yours. So I'm hoping some of the deficiencies in the Pixel Buds 2 have been resolved in the budget model of the Pixel Buds A, which Google seems to do a really good job at reinventing something and making it a little bit less expensive. Almost like they start to trip themselves up when they try to put too much into one little package. Couple differences. This thing, same battery, pretty much the same talk time, listening time, all that stuff. This one has the wireless charger built in, whereas this one does not. This one also has the little swipe back and forth on the actual little track pads. I think that's what they call them. This one does not. This one has a different type of little ear fin compared to this one. So those are just some of the differences that pop out when I look at these across the board. The biggest difference is these cost $179, whereas these start at $99. If you have a Google One membership, you get 10% off. It doesn't matter which one you purchase, and you can use that money for a future purchase on the Google store as a credit. So it's not really cash off, it's cash off, a credit towards something else Google. So they're rewarding you for being a Google One member. But without further ado, about 3 minutes into the intro, we are now going to get to the unboxing. For all you weirdos out there. So this is an unboxing video, so let's go ahead and examine the box. It is almost a perfect square. Looks like a bit of a rectangle. So there's our big observation of the unboxing experience. And here are the Google Pixel Buds A. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. They look identical to the other ones. So let's go ahead and let's have a little bit of fun. Here we've got Google Pixel Buds and Google Pixel Buds A. Now, aside from the color, because the dark olive little line is on there, can you see that little dark olive? This is the black. You really can't tell anything different about these. I mean, they look completely identical. There's nothing different. We can go ahead and play a little game. Oh. Which one is it? Just joking. But here it is. It's nothing. They're the same things. They almost feel, this feels lighter. Yeah, this is way lighter. So this is heavier because it most likely has the wireless charging technology in there. And these are lighter, which is kind of nice. But the question is, how do they sound and how do they compare? So our unboxing was super quick, super easy. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything else in the box worth noting. Down here, trash! Google, trash! Shame on you, Google. Look what they gave us. Oh my God, Google, why would you do that to us? Why? It doesn't even make any sense. In a mobile world where we're going everywhere and just about all laptops, Chromebooks, MacBooks, MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, iPad Airs, everything else, iPad Pros and all the other things, there's not one of these anywhere. Nobody's given us this but Google. This is a good long cord, but it's USB-C to USB-B, which USB trash is what it is. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So that's kind of annoying. A cute little book. Look at the cute, it's like a little package. It's a little book with some ear tips in there. So let's go ahead and take a little look-see-loo, some ear tips. We're gonna put those right back in there for later because I've recently discovered the benefit of keeping those little earbuds and not throwing them out because I did that and I had to order some brand new earbuds the other day. So we're gonna save this cable in the event that we're gonna resell this to somebody who might actually use it more than me. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there, put that there, and then somebody's gonna have a nice happy little box to open up later. But what I wanna go ahead and do is we have our Pixel 4 XL. I don't have a 5 because Team Pixel hates me and they won't send me a phone. So I only have the 4 XL, which was purchased with my own money. And I haven't gotten rid of it because I like it. I think all households have to have a Pixel in their house. This thing still takes phenomenal pictures. The software updates keep coming. No worries there. But I want to go ahead and share with you the connecting experience so that way you have an idea of what to look forward to if you are looking at these, researching, or you want to buy them. Now, one thing I will say is Google does not have a built-in screen recording app that I know about. So I use this one recorder called AZ Screen Recorder. Just throwing that out there for everybody. All right, so here are the Google Pixel Buds A. Now, I have not done anything. I'm gonna come over here and go off of low power mode just so I'm not inhibiting any scanning technology. But I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. Okay, they pop open. Pixel Buds A series. Pixel Buds A series will appear. All right, set up the device. Your device is ready to be set up. So I'm gonna go over here and hit setup and see what features they're giving us. Got a little startup. We're accepting everything. Try on your earbuds. So let's go ahead and try on these guys. So they have it go there and then rotate until it stays in place. Oh, rotate until it stays in place. Okay, there's a little happy music playing right now. Rotate until it stays in place. Happy music on both sides. Okay, next. Find the best fit. Okay, we're okay where we are. So play and pause. So we've got some tap action on either bud. Skip, double tap, triple tap, previous. See charging status when you put it in there. Swipe on the screen to discover more. Okay, so we've got some dual microphones. There we go. We have our in-ear detection. Comfortable, secure, stabilizing arc. So we love that. That's for running. Not like I'm doing a lot of running these days, but if I was, these might be what I'm gonna wear. To get help from your Google Assistant. All right, so we're gonna continue and see. So there we go. So here it is. This is where we come to do anything we need to do. So we've got the right and left both at 100%. We got our assistant. We've got all of our stuff equal. So we can turn on bass boost and adaptive sound. I'm not a fan of adaptive sound. I will encourage you to try it out, but I discovered that the volume in my ears changed depending on my surroundings. I don't want that. I want the volume to stay where I put it, and I want it to change when I tell it to change. So I think this is about it. We've got HD audio, phone calls, media, everything else that we need, and ear detection is on. So you can take your earbud out and it will pause it. So that is pretty cool. So I think we've ran through just about all the features. Again, this isn't a full review. It is a simple unboxing, but for the love of tech, let's go ahead and listen to some music and see how these things are actually going to sound right now. Right. All right, so my experience listening to those was lovely. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna flip open the Pixel Buds 2, and we're gonna give them a listen and see what does this sound like, and is it a major difference or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that we are connected to the Pixel Buds A. We're gonna start all over again. Now, first thing, only one earbud's working. As far as I'm concerned, that in itself, the Pixel Buds A is an absolute giant step up from the Pixel Buds 2. If Google was able to fix the issue why only one earbud works, there's obviously a severe hardware and software flaw that they are hoping that have been alleviated within the Pixel Buds A, and this beautiful, kind of somewhat beautiful, unique olive color, if you will. So I think it looks pretty good. I like that they're lighter. I like that it's the same battery. I personally never wireless charged these on a wireless pad. I always plug them in. You can get a pretty good amount of time within a 15-minute charge with a USB-C. So I'm a big fan of that. So far, I think I'm gonna say big giant fan of the Pixel Buds A. I plan on using these the next couple days. I'm gonna listen to some podcasts, listen to some music, use them to talk to people, maybe even use one earbud as like the old school traditional Bluetooth device, see how people can actually hear me. Then I'm gonna come back and give you guys a little bit better of a more in-depth review. $99 for the Pixel Buds A compared to $179 to the Pixel Buds 2. Pixel Buds 2, more features, more things to go wrong that have gone wrong that have not been fixed yet. So as of right now, Google is winning with the Pixel Buds A. If you liked the video, or you want to see more of me, or you just want to say thank you for watching the channel, hit me the thumbs up button. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.